Make a great choice today with the 2019 EcoSport. The Ford EcoSport has an upgraded interior that provides you all the features you could ever want. It also offers the functionality of an SUV, but in a size where you feel in control, and is priced below $30,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, intermittent wipers, daytime running lights, four-wheel disc brakes, integrated turn signal mirrors, tires, front all season, tires, rear all season. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.